If you're planning to launch a new landing page and are not sure of what options you have to host it, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will talk about the different options and their pros and cons. Let's get started. If you are a web developer and have HTML or PHP experience, then yes, it would make sense to set up a landing page using these technologies. But as a marketer, you won't necessarily have these skills, and it could get pretty challenging to set this up for a single page. HTML PHP pages are usually built by web developers who kind of know what they're doing. Since these pages don't have any other cool features like drag and drop functionality, lead management, A/B testing, etc., you're stuck when it comes to editing the pages. For building one page, using HTML or PHP might be the cheapest option. However, building and maintaining multiple pages would be quite complicated. WordPress is the world's favorite CMS. Although WordPress started as a blogging system, now WordPress runs millions of websites worldwide. You can use WordPress to manage landing pages, but sometimes it could become an overkill, especially if you're a marketer or a business owner. In case if you have a web developer in your team, or you know someone who can set up WordPress, the next task is to find an HTML editor. The challenge is there are literally hundreds. There are some popular ones like Divi, Elementor, or Thrive Theme, etc. Backed by a huge community of developers, you can easily find a plugin that can help you create a form, set up A/B testing. There is a plugin for every problem. I'll list some of the plugins I've used in the past in the comments below. I personally have two issues with WordPress. Number one, the whole ecosystem is not reliable. WordPress keeps changing its core framework, which means all plugin developers have to play catch up, which leads to security vulnerabilities. Second, multiple domains. In order to use multiple domains or subdomains, you'll have to set up a new instance of WordPress every time, or use WordPress multi-site feature, which is far more complicated. Cost-wise, although hosting a WordPress website is quite cheap, depending on the plugins you want to use, it can get expensive pretty quickly. Landing page builders are specifically for users with little or no programming skills. Almost every landing page builder has a drag and drop feature which allows users to design and build at the same time without worrying about HTML or CSS. Page builders like Unbounce Instapage integrate with hundreds of apps either natively or via Zapier. My biggest favorite feature is the ability to create A/B tests. If you're new to A/B testing, check out my other video linked up here. In summary, A/B testing allows you to test two variations of the same page against each other so you can determine a winner based on its performance. This is extremely powerful as you can test hypotheses and get better results. Landing page builders are reliable as they are hosted outside your main website. The only drawback I see is cost. If you're looking for one page, then maybe WordPress might be a good option. However, if you're looking to build multiple pages for different ad campaigns, I would strongly recommend investing in a proper landing page builder tool like Unbounce or Instapage. So remember, if you're planning to launch multiple pages and want to create them quickly without the need of a web developer, I would strongly recommend looking at landing page builders. Until next time, I'm Waseem. Bye for now.